want you to imagine something with me. You wake up, you brew your tea, you open your dashboard, and boom, there it is. A notification from YouTube. Your channel has been demonetized. Because you refuse to believe, you keep refreshing the page. Once you do that, still demonetized. Your balance? Gone. Zero. Just the smell of regret and yesterday's adrenaline. If that makes your stomach twist, just know you're not alone. Because this month, YouTube declared war, okay? Yeah, on the robots too. And as for faceless AI channels, they are the first to burn. That's what lazy AI channels are about to face. Question is, are you next? If you enjoy brutal truths with a side of profit, grab my 12-month wealth blueprint ebook and fuel the cause with a coffee link below. Stick around because in 3 minutes, I'll be able to reveal to you a loophole that is hidden in YouTube's own wording that could save or sink your monetization. Stay with me. Hi, I'm Miss Wangui Muithathi and welcome back to my channel. See, YouTube didn't just wake up angry. No, this has been building up for years. They've always said repetitious, mass-produced content isn't allowed, but nobody listens. Why? And this is because for a while it worked. I know of a friend, he's called Ellie. He had a faceless channel. He pumped out 5 videos a day. Reddit stories, copied scripts, one static image, and the same robot voice. For some time it worked. He thought he was clever. He'd made about 6 million Kenya shillings. That's roughly $46,000 in less than a year. Right? That's good money, yeah? But he never asked himself this one question. That is, if this video didn't exist, would the world be missing anything? The answer? A loud, soulless no. So when YouTube dropped its July 15th update, Ellie's empire is bound to fall. And just like that, his money will vanish. His monetization. But this story is not about Ellie. It's about you and how you don't have to go down with this. Okay? Let's talk about money. You and I know that value is what builds wealth, not hacks. So if someone walks up to you on the streets, slaps a recycled quote on your forehead and asks for 5,000 Kenya shillings, you'd laugh, right? That's what spam channels have been doing, asking advertisers to pay for recycled garbage. I get you understand where they're coming from. Because I wouldn't do that either. So YouTube just did what the market does. They're trying to remove the profit from the people who are not really doing the work. So ask yourself, are you really giving it your best? Are you doing the work? Or you're allowing the bots to do everything for you? People can tell. Same with money. You copy what your broke friends are doing, of course you'll end up broke. You automate every decision without a vision, you'll end up stuck. And who's to blame other than yourself? So if you're building a channel right now, if you're trying to build a channel, let me ask you something that you need to think about. Take your time to think about. Are you just replicating content or are you rebuilding it? Because that's the test. That's the real test. And if you fail it, your channel won't survive the next update because they're not targeting AI. AI is not the problem, okay? They're targeting apathy. So don't mix up the two. But then there's another story, the one I love. And this is because it's quite personal. It's about a young woman I once coached. She's called Neema. Neema didn't want to show her face. She didn't have a camera. All she had was her voice, her struggle with debt, and a Google sheet full of financial trauma. We sat and talked with Neema and came up with a strategy. So instead of copying someone else's story, Neema told hers. She layered real commentary over existing clips. She added a little bit of sarcasm here and there, humor, raw emotion, a little bit of spice here and there. She didn't steal the story. She became it. One day, she made a video about growing up in a single parent home and how the silence of unpaid school fees still echoes in her adulthood. She paired that with a finance tip about saving 50 Kenya shillings daily using a broken phone. To be honest, that video didn't go viral. It didn't. But it was deep. People commented, they connected, they followed, and they remembered. Now, Neema's RPM is nearly 1,000 Kenya shillings per 1,000 views. And this is because YouTube favors depth over volume. Okay? Just like wealth, it's better to have one high yield investment than 20 quick cash scams. The secret now is what I call commentary shield. So don't think it's about your setup and stuff like that. Because you don't need a fancy studio, but you need your mind. That means if you're using someone else's footage, say something they didn't. It also means if you're sharing someone else's story, you better transform it. Don't just repost it. And it also means if you're building a faceless brand, make sure your voice, your story, and your take is unmistakably yours. Okay? Because when YouTube reviews your channel, they are asking one question. Did a human make this? And you want them to hear a loud, confident yes in every frame. Okay? Let me tell you a little bit about the fall of a meditation empire. This one is going to hurt a little bit. Another creator, a friend of mine called Moses, started generating AI-generated sleep music. I'm sure you've come across some of those. Calm tones, forest rain, serene waves. He was making $3,000 a month. I think it's because those videos, most of them are over an hour or so. But here's the problem. He didn't make the music. He didn't license it. Didn't add any type of voiceover. He just dumped the files into YouTube like an abandoned playlist. Now, these are the kind of channels that on July 16th will disappear into thin air. Okay? So, the policy is a warning because now YouTube sees that as inauthentic. So, if you're in meditation, music, or ambient sounds, make sure it's your music. Or add your voice, your commentary, your meaning. Otherwise, you're just white noise. And white noise doesn't get paid. You don't get the paper. You don't get the moolah. Okay? Here is what I know as a finance coach. There's only two types of people in content and money. The ones playing long-term games and the ones who are disposable. Which one are you? Building a real channel is like building a real investment portfolio. You don't rely on one revenue source. You create something with depth. You show up. And when the market crashes or YouTube updates its policy again, you stay standing. Okay? So if your goal is just to make quick cash, YouTube will now block the exit. But if your goal is to build value, real, human, emotional, honest value, you, my dear, are unstoppable. I told you earlier, YouTube isn't killing AI. They're just killing lazy. Okay? In simple terms, This is the end of copy and paste. The death of one image, one voice, one robot. This is the rise of human-led, AI-powered greatness. Because AI alone, that's just a tool. But AI plus you, now that's unmatched. That's how you build wealth. That's how you survive and profit in content creation. I am Miss Wangui Muithathi, your personal finance and investment coach, and I'll see you in my next video.